There's a corner of the Middle East that feels different from anywhere else. A land of golden deserts, turquoise coastlines, and mountains that rise like fortresses against the sky. This is Oman, a country where ancient traditions meet quiet modernity, where peace is not just a word, but a way of life. While much of the world knows the region for oil wealth and skyscrapers, Oman has taken a gentler path. It has built its identity not on flash or noise, but on stability, hospitality, and harmony. Today, we're exploring what life is really like in Oman, the peaceful heart of the Arabian Peninsula. A land of contrast and calm. From the moment you arrive, Oman feels balanced, timeless, yet evolving. To the north, the Musandam Peninsula offers cliffs that drop into deep blue fjords. In the south, Dhofar's monsoon season turns the desert green. The center of the country is dominated by dunes, wadis, and ancient forts. Unlike some of its neighbors, Oman's cities grow organically, blending modern architecture with traditional design. Even in Muscat, the capital, you'll see whitewashed homes instead of glass towers. There's an elegance in simplicity here. The spirit of the Omani people. Omanis are known across the region for their warmth and humility. Hospitality isn't just custom, it's culture. Guests are offered coffee flavored with cardamom, dates, and conversation. Politeness and calm behavior are highly valued. Conflicts are rare, and community relationships are guided by respect and patience. Oman's people reflect their landscape, quiet, steady, and deeply connected to the land they call home. A kingdom of history. Oman's history stretches back thousands of years. It was once part of the powerful maritime empire that traded frankincense, copper, and spices across Africa, India, and China. The city of Nizwa, once Oman's capital, still holds the Great Nizwa Fort, a reminder of the country's strategic importance on ancient trade routes. In Salalah, the birthplace of the legendary frankincense trade, the scent of the past still lingers in the air. Every corner of Oman carries a story, and people here live close to those roots. Guided by a wise leadership, much of modern Oman's peace and prosperity is credited to its former ruler, Sultan Qaboos bin Said, who led the nation from 1970 until 2020. When he came to power, Oman had only a few schools and hospitals. He opened the country to the world, built infrastructure, and promoted education and tolerance, all without losing cultural identity. His successor, Sultan Haytham bin Tariq, continues that legacy with gradual modernization and a strong focus on national unity. Religion and tolerance. Oman is a Muslim country, but it follows a unique branch of Islam known as Ibadi Islam, which emphasizes tolerance, moderation, and community consensus. This spirit of balance extends beyond religion. Churches, temples, and other houses of worship are allowed to operate peacefully, reflecting Oman's tradition of coexistence. Unlike many nations where divisions run deep, Oman's people live by the belief that peace begins with mutual respect. A country without skyscrapers. One of the most striking things about Oman is what it doesn't have: towering skyscrapers or flashy mega projects. The government has deliberately preserved a traditional skyline. Buildings in Muscat must remain within a certain height and color scheme, giving the city a soft, harmonious appearance. Instead of trying to outshine its neighbors, Oman chose authenticity. That decision gives it one of the most visually consistent and calming cityscapes in the Middle East. Education and opportunity. Oman places great importance on education. From primary school to university, the system has expanded rapidly since the 1970s. Sultan Qaboos University in Muscat is the country's leading higher education institution, producing doctors, engineers, and scientists who contribute to Oman's growing industries. While many young Omanis pursue modern careers, there's still deep respect for traditional skills, from shipbuilding to weaving and pottery. 8. The beauty of traditional dress. Omani clothing reflects the nation's identity. Men wear the dishdasha, a long white robe, often paired with a kuma, embroidered cap, or a masar, turban. Women wear colorful dresses adorned with jewelry, sometimes covered with a flowing black abaya. What's striking is the elegance, not extravagant, but refined. Dress codes are modest yet expressive, symbolizing dignity and cultural pride. The role of women in modern Oman women in Oman have made remarkable progress in recent decades. They hold positions in government, education, medicine, and business. Omani culture blends tradition with empowerment, respecting family values while encouraging women to participate in national development. Equal education opportunities have opened new paths, and women's voices are increasingly visible in public life. The frankincense legacy. For thousands of years, frankincense, the fragrant resin burned in temples and traded across ancient routes, was Oman's white gold. The land of frankincense in Dhofar is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where visitors can still see their remains of old ports and caravan trails. Even today, the scent of frankincense fills Omani homes and mosques, a bridge between past and present. The power of the desert and the sea. Oman's landscape defines its people. Fishermen, sailors, and desert dwellers each carry unique traditions. In the coastal towns, dhows, traditional wooden boats, are still hand-built using ancient techniques. Inland, Bedouin families keep alive the customs of desert life, from camel racing to storytelling under the stars. This connection to both desert and sea gives Oman its dual soul, patient yet adventurous, grounded yet open. Environmental awareness and sustainability. Oman is one of the few Gulf countries that actively prioritizes environmental protection. National parks and nature reserves cover large portions of the country. The Arabian oryx, once extinct in the wild, was successfully reintroduced here. Coral reefs and turtle nesting beaches are carefully protected. Even urban development is planned with ecological balance in mind, another sign of Oman's thoughtful progress. So, safety and stability. Oman is consistently ranked among the safest countries in the world. Violent crime is extremely rare, and both citizens and foreigners often describe it as a place where you can walk anywhere at night without fear. Political stability and a culture of respect contribute to this sense of peace. In a region often associated with conflict, Oman stands out as a calm, neutral voice, a trusted mediator in diplomacy. Tourism done differently. Oman's tourism strategy is built on quality, not quantity. The government promotes ecotourism, cultural experiences, and small-scale hospitality instead of mass resorts. Visitors can camp under desert stars, hike through green wadis, or stay in restored forts turned into boutique hotels. Tourism here feels authentic, not commercial, a reflection of the nation's quiet confidence. A vision for the future. Oman's Vision 2040 plan aims to diversify its economy beyond oil through education, technology, and renewable energy.